Tired of your dry, color-treated hair feeling brittle and fragile? Sebastian Professional Penetraitt Conditioner offers a powerful solution to protect and repair stressed hair, giving you that soft, touchable finish you've been missing. If your hair struggles with damage from coloring, heat styling, or everyday environmental wear, this conditioner promises to rebuild strength from the inside out. What sets Penetraitt apart is its active rescue system designed to deeply penetrate each strand. Unlike regular conditioners that only coat the surface, this formula works beneath the cuticle to remove impurities and reduce breakage. The result? Hair that's not only cleaner but visibly healthier, softer, and more resilient. I noticed how it revived my color-treated hair after just a few uses. No heaviness, just natural bounce and shine. The conditioner is easy to use. Simply remove excess water, apply generously focusing on the ends, then rinse thoroughly. It's color safe, so you don't have to worry about fading or dullness. Many users across the US praise how it cleanses and restores hair in one simple step, making it a reliable choice for daily care. If you're ready to strengthen your damaged hair and bring back its natural softness, Sebastian Professional Penetraitt Conditioner is worth a look. It targets the root causes of hair stress and delivers noticeable results without weighing your hair down. Try it when you're ready to treat your hair with professional care that truly makes a difference.